집이 너 감정적인 사람이니까 먼저 해.
나 울어도 됐지.
형 옆에 있으니까 걱정 마.
그럼 나 이거 너무 감동스러운 이야기라서 기타 쫓죠.
감동놈이야.
기타 쫓으라고.
아, 네.
힘들었던 적이 있었지.
맞아.
너무 우리 한국 문화하고 우리 문화 너무 다르죠. 같은 아프리카 사람인데 우리 문화도 달라. 탄자니아 문화도 몰라. 나 아프리카 사람인데 한국 오게 됐어. 나 한국 문화 아예 절대 진짜 몰라. So I came to Korea. 그 문화뿐만 아니라 음식도 내 입에 안 맞았어. 왜냐하면 어렸을 때부터 먹은 음식 너무 달라서. So I 너무 음식 먹는 거 하고 한국에 사는 거 가는 거 너무 힘들었어. 그때 처음으로 나 치킨 많이 먹었어. 치킨 맨날 치킨 먹었고 조금씩 I started eating Korean food. And then 지금은 김치완이지. 지금은 김치 너무 잘 먹을 수 있고 and not only language, not only food and 문화, also language. 하면 우리 어렸을 때부터 영어 해와서 to learn a new language was also difficult. 근데 지금은 우리 힘든 거는 우리 직업 찾는 거. 혹시 지금 보고 있는 사람들한테 한 이야기인데 혹시 회사 가진 사람이면 you have a job for me? 연락 주세요. 내 번호는 010. But 우리 삶에 너무 힘들었는데 아프리카인사이트 덕분에 우리 진짜 좋은 we are having a good time because of A프리카인사이트. Because you guys, we reached out to you guys and then you really helped us a lot. So we are really grateful. And honestly, we want to work for 아프리카인사이트. 아프리카인사이트 후원 너무 필요해서 진짜 아프리카인사이트한테 후원했으면 좋겠어 진짜. Because those guys are awesome people. 진짜 나 우리 한국에서 8년 동안 살았지.
맞아.
근데 한국에서
그럼 같은 사람 만나본 적 없어 진짜.
없단 말이야.
그리고 진짜 진심으로 해. 이거 방송 위해서 아니고요.
야 진짜 이거 우리
진짜
이거
진심으로.
우리 잘 때 하는 이야기야. 우리 꿈에서 하는 이야기고 이거 카메라 앞에서 하는 이야기 아니야.
진짜.
So really
이 세상에서 좋은 사람 그렇게 많지 않는데 근데 AI.
So really 후원 많이 했으면 좋겠어요. 후원 많이 하세요. 진짜 여기까지.
Let me think about it.
나지.
My happiest moment it was when I graduated in 2018, February 26th at 1 p.m. in my university. That was one of the happiest moments in my entire life because I've always been dreaming about that. Wearing that gown and standing in front of everybody, receiving my diploma, my degree. Oh my goodness, that was one of the best moments in my life. So starting there in SNU and studying in Korean and in English, it wasn't really easy because in my department I was the only foreigner in the whole department for 4 years, and I was studying with Koreans I was not an exchange student. I was not studying with foreigners, but I was studying with Korean, like in the Korean system. So that was really hard because in 4 years I didn't have friends in my department. Even when the day we were taking like graduation pictures, I didn't take graduation picture with anybody. I was just alone. So it was quite challenging. But when the day when I was graduating, I thank God that I graduated on time, right on time. That was one of the happiest moments in my life. I remember that day I cried. A lot of my friends came. This guy also came to my graduation. He took some pictures of me and he was bragging to his friend that, hey, he's my friend. He is my friend. That's what he was doing. Yeah.
저한테 제일 행복한 순간은 우리 지난 회사 들어가게 됐을 때, 그리고 비자도 그 일 비자도 나왔지 그때. 너무 행복했어. because 나 나이지리아 사람인데 그리고 원래 사람들 지금 나이지리아에 대한 모습이 like 사람들이 아는 나이지리아에 대한 모습 안 좋아요. 근데 나 한국에서 해와서 한국에 일하게 된 성공해서 너무 기분 진짜 너무 it was amazing. Because all my friends in Nigeria, I know they are still struggling. 근데 나 I got a job in Korea 해외에서 일하고 있고 it's always my dad's or my family's dream. My mom 우리 엄마의 꿈이었어. So I felt so proud of myself. Like wow, no 진짜. I told myself 거울 보면서 I was like 네가 직접 한 일이야. 응? 그래서 너무 진짜 너무 당신 진짜 너무 잘했어. 그래서 I was really happy. 너무 행복했지. So that was like my happiest moment in Korea.
So what do you want to do here in Korea? You've been here for quite a long time, 80 years. I'm wondering why you're not getting out of this country and go home.
I cannot leave this country because I'm Korean.
아닌 것 같은데.
제가 한국에서 하고 싶은 일은 I'm actually really interested in the entertainment industry.
Okay.
So I want to get into entertainment, like because I have my own idea about entertainment. And when I start in Korea, I want to take it to my country. I want to start like TV show guests, and then maybe start hosting because I'm really good at hosting things. That's actually my biggest dream. Alright. What about you?
For me, I wanna play a role of a bridge. I wanna be a bridge between Tanzania and Korea because I've been living here in Korea for a long time, and I understand Korean culture to some extent. The same thing to my own culture as well, and so that's kind of role that I wanna play. Since I'm Tanzanian and I can speak Korean a little bit, and right now there's so many opportunities for Koreans to go to Tanzania. There's so many business starting in Tanzania, so many organizations, even schools, universities, and things like that. So I feel like they're gonna need me. I feel like they need people like us, like me, and that's why I want to stay here in Korea. And that's one of the things. This place, first of all, is very beautiful, but the first feeling that I get is healing. Even though it's at the middle of the city and there's the noises of airplane and a lot of people, it's a little clouded here, but I get this sense of healing. I came here last week actually, and today I came here again. Today I'm here right now. You know, I love nature. I mean, it's one of my favorite things. The air is clean these days. The weather is not that hot. So I kind of feel like I'm releasing all the stress I receive from GP right now. Yeah, and so if you want to get away from stress, I think this is the best place to visit.
여기 와서 제가 느꼈던 거는 I feel this place 여기 약간 like it's really peaceful. It's really filled with trees, and it actually reminded me of my hometown. In my hometown we have a lot of trees, and it's so like I love the sound of nature. 약간 자연 소리 너무 좋아요. And I see this place as an inspirational place. 여기 like it's good for musicians to come here to write songs. It's good for people that think to come here to think, and also just as I said, to release stress. This place is good for that, to do stuff like that. It's really 특별해. So I feel peaceful, I feel relaxed, and I don't want to go home. 집 가기 싫어.
Well, this place is really beautiful, to be honest. I can see Lotte Tower, one of the highest buildings in Korea. It's right there. And also I can see Namsan Tower right there on my right side. Amazing. And also next down here I can see Han River, which is like the Miracle River right here. You know,
Miracle River? What do you mean?
You don't know Korean history? This is called Miracle River. I love where I am right now, and I'll tell you for sure, I will definitely come back here next time.
저는 오늘 처음으로 여기 왔는데 엄청 너무 예쁘고, 여기 보면 롯데타워 볼 수 있고, 저기 보면
내 말이야.
What is that? 남산타워도 볼 수 있고, 그리고 바로 우리 옆에 한강리버 있다고. 그리고 그 한강리버 다른 이름 무엇인지 알아? 미라클 리버라고.
I feel like this is one way of enjoying life, you know. So and I was so relaxed today because I didn't even pay attention to what we are doing. It doesn't mean that what we're doing is not important, but like I didn't have a pressure of work that I'm doing this work. So I want to shout out to our Kamdong Nim behind the camera. He did an amazing job to work on this project, and everybody who came and support today. I had really an amazing time, and I cannot. I would definitely do this again with somebody.
요새 우리 삶에 너무 바빴어. We've been really busy. 촬영 너무 많아서 촬영뿐만 아니라 여기도 자기 회사 훈련 때문에 he's busy with his 회사, and then I'm busy with some stuff, side stuff. So it felt so good. Like 오늘 아무거 안 하고 여기 와서 약간 릴렉스하게 보내서 너무 좋고, and we feel so relaxed, so good. I'm really happy that we came here. 혼자였으면 we never think about this place because we always want to be home whenever we like 우리 자유 시간에 우리 그냥 집에 있고 싶어. 원하면 우리 집에서 내 침대 있어가지고
너무 편해요.
너무 편해서 바로 넣어서 잘 수 있어서. 근데 오늘 여기 집 말고 여기 밖에 와서 시간 보내서 너무 I feel we are refreshed. 한국말로 모르는데 그냥 사전 찾아봐. refreshed.
상쾌하다.
와우.
당연하지. 나 한국 사람인데. Guys, thank you so much for supporting A프리카인사이트. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and follow us on Instagram as well. We have A프리카인사이트. You can also follow our personal Instagram, Mika Chavala and Gaspar Opala Music.
Gaspar Music Official. Get out of here.
Yes. I appreciate you guys. Until next time, let us know in the comment section if you want to see us more. We'll be back right here.
아프리카인사이트 응원해 주셔서 정말 감사하고요. 후원해 주시고, and 여기 보고 있는 사람들도 구독해 주고, enjoy 했으면 그냥 거기 태길 옮겨봐. 우리 다시 촬영했죠. 이런 말 하면 우리 다시 나올까. 그래서 여러분 안녕.
Bye bye. Until next time. Love and peace out.
나는 기분 너무 나빠서
진짜 말이 많아. 지금 그만 마무리해.
나 너무 행복해서 그래요. 행복하면 나 말 많아.
행복해서 behind the scene 하세요.
오케이.